Shifting from my place to Dehradun. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today's vlog is going to be an interesting vlog. I'm posting a video after so many days, so today's video is going to be a different one than the usual vlogs that you see. So basically this vlog is going to be about my shifting from my place to Dehradun. So before I show you the clips that I have already recorded, let me tell you why I'm going there. So a short quick brief story. So I am a student of science. I have done biotechnology, but for Dehradun, like, I'm going for my MBA, and there was no plan of doing MBA, but I gave CAT and had good score in them, and then I got this call letter from the college in Dehradun, which is Doon Business School, and then I finalized it, and first sem was online and now they've started offline. So that is the reason why I'm going to Dehradun, and all the clips that you will see right now will be from my journey from Gujarat to Dehradun. It's like a 1500 kilometers long journey. Plus I have travel sickness, so can't go by my own car, can't go by bus, can't go by flight. The only option left was train, so I had to go in train. So I'll just show you my journey. I have short clips of that because the journey was like 30 hours long journey, and I didn't want to bore you guys with the same thing. Like, what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna eat and sleep in the train, of course. So I have short clips, so I'm going to insert that, and I'll be talking in between. Right from here I'll be telling you guys the updates also, so just have a look. So my mom and dad also came along to drop me there. Hi guys, so we are at the railway station right now, and so I'm leaving for Dehradun, and I'll be starting the vlog right from the train itself because it's so much noisy right here. Hi guys, so we are in the train right now. It's going to start within 2-3 minutes, and yeah, let me show you the view. It's a long journey. It's going to take around 29 to 30 or 31 hours. So it's just started. So you guys saw, I told you that I'll be showing you the view of this, that I had the plan of vlogging the entire journey in the train, but then I realized it's going to be very monotonous and there's nothing new, just eating and sleeping, so didn't vlog much. Directly I vlogged when I reached Haridwar. In between I took some snaps of what all things we're eating, because once we crossed Gujarat, having food was so difficult because we didn't get anything that was of our taste. The taste in the north is very different, and I didn't like anything. Fortunately, we had things. We bought a few things from our home itself, so that was good, because the food there was not of my taste and I was not able to eat that any which ways. So I've taken a few clips. Hardly we were able to find something that we could eat, so did that, and when I reached Haridwar, I vlogged a bit. I'll show you that clip now. So this is the homemade food I was talking about: theplas, dahis and sabzi. And fortunately we bought this, otherwise would have nothing to eat. When we reached Delhi, it was morning time, like it was around 11. So it was basically the breakfast time, and we thought that let's get something from Delhi. Delhi's food is very famous, and so we went down on the station and all we could find was paratha. So we thought, okay, let's have it. It was like a heavy aloo paratha type of thing, so bought that, and I had high expectations from that. And the moment I opened it and I ate the first bite, it was so salty, and upar it was very thick. You can't, it was like rubber, and didn't eat that, threw the entire thing out because it was something that you are not even able to eat, and nobody would ever have been able to eat that, so had to throw it out. Definitely not promoting food wastage, but it was what it was. So fortunately I had a clip of that paratha, so we bought this, and along with it we had this sabzi sort of thing. I don't know what it's called in north, and the moment I had the first bite, the sabzi too was very salty, like can't even eat that. Hi guys, so currently we are at Haridwar station. It's a 1 hour long halt, so I have to go to Dehradun. So currently I'm at Haridwar station. It's a long halt, so I just stepped out. So I'll just show you everything. I didn't vlog inside the train because it was so noisy, and also I was sleeping. So finally now it's just 1 hour and I'll reach Dehradun. So By this time I was so hungry, I wanted to eat anything that I get, and I got the samosa and it was so tasty. I usually don't eat street food a lot. Okay, so then Haridwar se Dehradun is like only 50 kilometers, but still the train took like 2.5 hours to reach. Then we reached Dehradun station. Now the thing was, my college is out of Dehradun, like it's 25 kilometers away from the city, so we had to find something, transportation facilities to reach there, because it was already night time. Somehow managed to get something, and obviously they charge you double, but any which ways we reached there. Now the another question was staying in a hotel, because it was already night and we didn't want to roam here and there. So I already had a hotel in mind, so I directly went there. We checked in, got a room, and I'll show you the room tour also in a bit. But by the time we reached there, we were all exhausted, or pichle 2 times like lunch and dinner we were not having proper food, because the taste was different, so we didn't eat anything, so we were hungry. तो खाने के लिए we had to go and find a good restaurant, because the area Selaki is industrial area, you don't get good hotels, good food, nothing. So we had to go. I wanted to eat dosa because that's something that satisfies me. So didn't get that. And then finally we had a place, saw a place, and they had Punjabi food, and they told me you'll never not get any South Indian restaurant here, so better you eat Punjabi. So we ate there and the food was really good. So this is the food that we finally got. It's shahi paneer with jeera rice, and we have onions and all the basic things that we get. The sabzi was very creamy, as you can see the texture. It was very tasty, and the paneer was very soft, like I've never seen a paneer like this. Even the butter roti was quite tasty, soft, fluffy. Loved the food all in all. And finally, after like one day, we had a wholesome meal. So if you're coming here in Seelaki and if you want to try it out, I'll leave the links and like all the details in the description. It was very satisfying. We again walked back to the hotel, and now I'll show you the room tour as well. Finding a good hotel in Seelaki was a task, but finally somehow managed to. So this is the room tour that I'm showing you guys. First of all, had this side table at both the sides, and there were good like storage facilities. I had lot of luggage. This is the bed, was quite comfortable as well. Next, also we have a side table on the another side, niche storage options. So it was good because, as I said, had a lot of luggage. And here we have this full size mirror. There's mom and dad, and get this mini fridge also, and that's really good. Although I had nothing to keep there instead of the bottles. Then again, after the fridge you have this like open wardrobe, and we put all our bags inside, because I had like 13 to 14 bags. You get TV, AC car remote, and this is the bathroom. That was even quite good, like decent. You have the geyser and the shower. Here's the hand basin, and yeah, that's the bathroom. So hotel was quite a good one, and yeah, this was the room tour of the hotel. So from the hotel we checked out सुबह को 11, and then hotel के पास ही there was my PG where I was staying. So shifted the saman and everything. So I'll also show you the PG room tour. Like it's a small cozy room. So I'll give you room tour of the PG जहाँ पे मैं रह रही हूँ. So ये रहा entrance. उसके बाद
ये entrance है जो मैंने दिखाया, कर्टन्स भी है तो बहुत ही अच्छा है. फिर यहाँ पर भी विंडोज़ है और कर्टन्स है. ये रहा बेड मेरा, वही मेरी रूम पार्टनर वाला बेड है. ये हमारा बेड है, डबल बेड है. फिर यहाँ से अगर आ रहे हो, यहाँ पे वॉशरूम है, सो वो भी अच्छा है. वी हैव गीज़र एंड ऑल, तो फिर कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, अच्छा ही है. एंड बस ये और नीचे भी है तो डिवाइड कर सकते हो. यहाँ पे किचन एरिया है, ये सिंक है, यहाँ पे अगेन एक विंडो है, ऊपर वेंटिलेशन भी है. और ऑल्सो दिस इज़ द मिरर एंड दिस इज़ मी. सो ये हमारा छोटू सा अच्छा सा क्यूट सा रूम. मेरे को तो बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छा लग रहा है ये. एंड दिस इज़ हाउ आवर रूम लुक्स लाइक. So that was all about this vlog, and now all the vlogs that you're gonna see will be in Dehradun, and I'll try to vlog as much. There's nothing more going on, just a routine, college and all, but I'll see you guys in my next video.